Hold everything. Stop scrolling. If you're ready to unlock the secret playbook for landing a top enterprise architect role in 2025, this is the only video you'll ever need. Did you know 72% of enterprises are revamping their IT frameworks by 2025? If you're not ready for the next-gen challenges in enterprise architecture, you're already behind.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Ahead of the curve, because the future of tech won't wait for you to join in its revolution. Ever wondered what secret sauce can help you ace an interview in today's fast-changing tech landscape? Welcome to SprintSeal. Today we are diving into the high-stakes world of enterprise architecture. I'm here to arm you with the knowledge that top companies are desperate to see. Here are the top 10 interview questions you'll face in 2025. Question 1. How would you design a hybrid cloud architecture that integrates AI-driven analytics while ensuring GDPR compliance in 2025? Start by leveraging edge computing to process sensitive data locally, reducing latency. Use federated learning for AI models to ensure data privacy. No raw data leaves the source. Partner with cloud providers offering sovereign cloud solutions for GDPR. Finally, implement real-time encryption audits. For example, Microsoft's Azure Confidential Computing is a game changer in this case. Question 2. Describe a time you led a legacy system modernization. How did you balance innovation with business continuity? I spearheaded a bank's COBOL to cloud migration by using a phased rollout, prioritizing non-critical modules first. Secured stakeholder buy-in with a cost-benefit dashboard showing 40% ROI in year 1. Monitored KPIs like downtime, kept under 0.1%, and user training completion. Pro tip: use containers to isolate legacy components during transition. Question 3. How do you plan for quantum computing's impact on enterprise security frameworks by 2025? Adopt NIST's post-quantum cryptographic algorithms now. Run quantum risk assessments on existing encryption. Build agile roadmaps with crypto agility. Think modular APIs that can swap algorithms as standards evolve. IBM's Quantum Safe initiative is a must-follow for 2025 prep. Loving these insights? Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell because we are dropping pro tips every week to keep you ahead in 2025. Question 4. A client wants to adopt AI but fears ethical risks. How do you architect a governance model? Propose an XAI framework so decisions are transparent. Schedule quarterly bias audits using tools like IBM's AI Fairness 360. Align with ISO 42001 standards for AI governance. Bonus: assign an AI ethics officer. 70% of Fortune 500 companies will have one by 2025. Question 5. How do you manage multi-cloud environments while avoiding vendor lock-in? I deploy a multi-cloud strategy by leveraging containerization and standardized APIs. This ensures smooth interoperability across platforms, minimizes vendor dependency, and boosts scalability. For instance, using Kubernetes to orchestrate containers across clouds keeps your architecture nimble and future-proof. Question 6. How do you measure the success of your architectural strategies? I set clear KPIs and monitor ROI by linking tech improvements directly to business outcomes. Real-time performance dashboards help track progress and fine-tune strategies, ensuring every architectural decision drives measurable success. Question 7. How do you drive innovation while ensuring strict regulatory compliance? I establish innovation labs where emerging tech is tested in a controlled environment. By embedding compliance frameworks and agile practices into every phase, I ensure that breakthrough ideas are implemented without skirting regulatory mandates. Question 8. How do you design a scalable microservices architecture in a hybrid environment? I architect microservices with modular design principles, using API gateways and service meshes to streamline communication. Containerization supports scalability, allowing seamless deployment whether on-premises or in the cloud. Question 9. How do you handle cultural change during a digital transformation? I foster a culture of continuous learning and transparent communication. By engaging stakeholders early and rolling out targeted training programs, I ensure that digital transformation isn't just a tech upgrade, but a holistic organizational evolution. Question 10. What future trends will shape enterprise architecture post-2025? Beyond 2025, the fusion of AI, blockchain, 5G, and IoT will redefine enterprise architecture. Emphasis on hyperautomation, zero-trust security, and real-time data analytics will become crucial. Staying agile and committed to continuous learning is your ultimate strategy for success. That's the end of this video, but here's a pro tip. When practicing these answers, make sure to infuse your own style. We used AI for this script, but trust me, you don't want to sound like a robot. Add a little humor and your unique flair to really make your answers pop. Thank you for watching, and hey, a subscribe from you would be an awesome boost.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.